Have you ever wanted to only eat fruit and nothing else? Hello my babies. Welcome back to another video. In this video today, Mama Swole is going to be eating an all fruitarian diet for 24 hours. I actually got a request to do this video, so I'm trying to fulfill all you babies' requests. So send them on in and I will try to do them for y'all. But yeah, this should be a fun time. As you could probably tell by the name, Fruitarian, this is a diet where you only eat fruit and you can have nuts and seeds and all that jazz. That's what we're going to do today, kids. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Let's get into it, shall we? You gonna try this diet with me?
Fruit salad, yummy, yummy.
Banana, apple, blueberries, and a side of pecan or pecan. Let's cut it up. Wait, I should make it look pretty, huh? Alright, no promises, guys. Oh god, it's already not very pretty. Oh man, there that goes. And there you have it, folks. Mama Swole's fruit salad. Does it look pretty? I don't feel like it looks very pretty, but come on, it's me. I don't know how to make things pretty. Y'all that post your like Instagram food pictures, I don't know how you do it, man. Actually, I need to take all of this out and then put it all back in because I'm going to use a food scale because I want to see if I eat more calories than I normally do. If y'all saw my what I eat in a day video, you know I eat about like, I think it was like 1,200 calories a day. So I'm wondering, will I eat more on this or on my normal diet? Let's find out. Why does it actually look prettier when I didn't try to organize it? And the swole comment of the day is this comment right here. For a chance to be featured in the next swole comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment below. So I'm very curious to see how this is going to affect my workout for the day. I'm not going to show you guys too much of my workout for the day because it's actually a workout for another super secret video project that I'm working on that you will be seeing probably in a couple weeks that I'm really excited for, and I think you guys will really love it. Oh, these blueberries are sour. I don't like how sour they are. So far this meal slaps, but I think that's just because it's only my first meal of the day. I feel like as the day goes on, I'm gonna get like really freaking sick of fruit. You want some? Here, when I eat like a fruitarian like me, have some. Take it. Just take it. I'm gonna drop it on your little paw, okay? That way you can eat it. So far, being a fruitarian is going great. We'll see how I feel later though. So after I finished that fruit, I was like, okay, that was actually pretty filling because I've been hearing a lot that fruit is not very satiating. But then about 20 minutes later, my stomach started rumbling. I feel like I'm starving. So maybe this is why this diet helps people lose weight. Something tells me this is gonna be a little bit more difficult than I thought it was. Some fruitarians make coffee, so guess what Mama's about to do? You better believe I'm about to make some coffee. Because coffee is more satiating to me than a lot of food actually. It keeps me full for like a really long time. So we gonna make some coffee and maybe eat something else. I don't know. Let's go see what we have. Come on. So let's have some more. Let's have some of these guys. Okay. My apartment smells like rotting fruit. Sure, that'll do. Gotta love that caffeine, man. So next up, we're going to have some watermelon. How do you guys eat your watermelon? I eat mine with a spoon. Oh, man. Ooh, I picked a winner. This is a good ass watermelon, baby. So far, the coffee definitely helped. I felt full for like an hour, which is better than before, but definitely feel like I'm starving right now. I don't even feel like this is gonna help that much. We'll see. I know there's some fruitarians that don't drink like any liquids at all. I don't know how. I really don't. Freaking love watermelon, man. It's so good, especially when it's just right. Slaps, baby. I was gonna say, does it look like it's like my smile? But it's definitely not the right shape for that. Y'all, I like really, really want a pizza right now. I don't know why I'm craving pizza, but I am. Maybe I'll make a fruit pizza. How am I gonna do that? What happens if you bake fruit? Probably would taste really weird, huh? What do you think? Nah, let's not do that. Let's go see what we got in the kitchen, shall we? I am super excited because I've always wanted to try a dragon fruit and they had them at the store, so I had to get one. I have no idea how to eat this. I should probably look it up. How to eat a dragon fruit. Imagine if I turned into a dragon after eating this. So it says I have to wash it with 1 tablespoon of salt. Do you think I actually need to do that? I guess I will, fuck it. To be honest, I don't feel like that worked at all, and I just feel like I just wasted a bunch of salt for no reason. Okay, so it says to cut the edges off first. Man, I don't want to eat it. It's like too pretty to eat, you know what I mean? I will do it anyways. So let's try this. Cut the edges. I love that it's like so pink. Look how pink that is. It's pink as fuck. All right, pretty. All right, let me try to do all this. I suck at cutting fruit, man. It said you just peel this part off. Oh, okay. Nice. Why is this kind of satisfying? Yeah. That's so nice, right? Damn, this has got to be the most satisfying of all fruits, no doubt. Damn, look at this big ass piece. Now let's weigh it. I also realized after I started eating the watermelon that I didn't weigh the watermelon. So I'm gonna have to estimate that. Oh fuck, we lost a piece. I feel like we keep losing so many pieces. Okay, so let's try it out, shall we? Let's see how it tastes. Ew. I'm really disappointed. That shit's gross. Ew. It has no flavor at all. It's just like weird. Why would anybody eat this? This has to be the most undesirable fruit out of all of them. I know I just said it was satisfying, but to eat is not satisfying. And look, this piece looks like it has veins. What the fuck? Like it's alive or something. And the whole point of this diet is to not eat living things. Yeah, I don't know if I can eat this, man. It's nasty. Okay, so we're obviously gonna have to try something else. Instead, we're gonna try all these other fruits that I got that I've never had before. We got some kumquats. Am I saying that right? I feel like I'm not saying that right and it sounds really dirty. And I forget what this thing was called. It's like a Miniola Tangelo, maybe? I don't know how to say it. It's from Australia for all my Australian viewers out there. And then we got a Asian pear, which actually I have had one of these before, so we're not gonna count this. And then we got a, I don't know what this is, but we got one of them. Let's try them all out, shall we? Once again, I have no idea how to eat this, but look how small and cute it is. Let's just like stab into it. I don't know. Should I Google this? I really don't want to Google it. Let's see. It looks weird on the inside. I don't know how I feel about it. Are you supposed to eat the skin? I'm not going to. Ew. Oh, okay. Mixed emotions. It tastes exactly like an orange. Are these just mini oranges? Is that what a kumquat is? Kumquat? How the fuck do you say it? I have the worst camera angle ever right now. I just want you guys to be able to see the fruit, so I have to like crouch down. Now let's try out this Tangelo thing. So I assume it's the same. I just cut into it, right? Looks exactly like an orange as well. Okay, let's try this guy out. Ooh, that's really good. It tastes exactly like an orange, but way sweeter. That's freaking good. I'm gonna eat this shit up. Let's try this thing out now. I'm not gonna lie, I was feeling like really tired earlier, but now I feel really awake and energized because you guys know I don't really eat that much fruit, which is really bad. Like honestly, not even 1 fruit a day. That's really terrible, and I know it's terrible, and it's something I'm gonna work on. Ooh, that shit's bomb. Oh my god, what is this? I wish I knew what this was because it's good as fuck. If anybody knows what this is, I mean, it's obviously a pear, but if anybody knows what kind of pear it is, please let me know because damn, shit slap. Wait, you're supposed to eat the skin? Sure, it won't hurt me, right? I think we're gonna wait on this till later and I'm just gonna eat this thing and the Tangelo thing. All right, time to eat this shit up. Hello, I'm hungry once again. Being fruitarian is basically just always being hungry, I'm convinced. So we have some pineapple, almond, and pecan. It freaking sucks. So I'm not even tired. I actually feel like I have a lot of energy, but I'm about to just go to bed early because I just want to wake up and have a waffle. I don't even really eat waffles, but for some reason this diet is bringing out a lot of cravings. Honestly, I feel really healthy. I feel healthier than I usually feel because normally, like I said, I don't really eat fruit. But Mama's gonna start eating fruit today, kids. Well, after today, kids, because now I have hella fruit. What I'm gonna do now is calculate all the calories and everything. See where our caloric intake is at for the day. Let's see if it's more than my normal caloric intake. Okay, y'all, this is freaking nuts. My mind is blown. I just calculated everything in MyFitnessPal. Guess how many calories I ate today? I just want you to guess. Comment below before I tell you. I ate 600 and oh shit, come on. So whenever I put everything in here, I just put everything under breakfast. So as you can see, nothing under the rest. So that means everything I ate today is under breakfast. And the breakfast is saying that I had 669 calories today. I honestly thought it would be way more because I just did. My mind is blown. And I'm also blown away at the fact that, well, actually no, it kind of makes sense because I was gonna say I'm blown away at the fact that I'm not starving, but I am starving. That's insane. Now I absolutely understand why people lose weight on this diet. Oh, and let me tell you the macros too. My macros for the day were 10 carbs, 33 grams of fat, which that doesn't really surprise me, and then a freaking measly 10 grams of protein. That's pathetic. That's really sad. That is not enough protein, man. Well, I'm never doing this again, but it was a fun little experiment, and at least now I have some fruit, and at least I got to try a Tangelo. That was really good. I care way too much about my donuts to do this diet. But it was a fun video. Thank you, James Edwards, for requesting it. What did you guys think? Leave a comment below and let me know. Suki, what'd you think? Hey, you. All right. She's tired. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Please remember to give this video a like if you liked it. Hit that thumbs up button. Comment below what other diets you guys would like to see me try. Remember to subscribe to see more from yours truly, Mama Swole. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good ass day.